Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to correct the error in the sentences. If you are preparing for error detection in competitive exams like SSC, banking, then this video will be fruitful for you. You as well as he is responsible for this mistake. In this sentence, the error is the word is, it should be because when two subjects are joined together by phrases, as well as, along with, together with, the verb must agree with the first subject. If the sentence is, he as well as you, then the verb will be, is, he as well as you is responsible for this mistake. Focus is on the first subject. In case if we use the same sentence in, either, or, either you or he is responsible for this mistake. Here focus is on the nearest subject, the second one. I prefer fruit juice than milkshake. This sentence is incorrect because the verb, prefer, is followed by the preposition, to, not, than. Let's know how to use the verb, prefer, when comparing two nouns. Here in this sentence, two nouns are 1, fruit juice 2, milkshake. When comparing two, ing, verbs, gerunds. As I have mentioned in the example, I prefer horse riding to swimming. We use, to, after the word senior, junior, inferior, for example, you are senior to me. In the second sentence, the verb, adhere, is an intransitive verb. When used in this context, it must be followed by the preposition, to connect it to the noun. Abide by is a phrasal verb and its meaning is to accept it.